State and actions formalism. How to implement plus equals operators between different classes. I have a problem with a set of states. To move from a state to another, I need to do a set of actions. I'm trying to implement state and actions classes in a way that the following comparisons returns true. I wrote a test case for my implementation that is the following. My questions are: there is nothing pre-built that can help me to implement the state and actions classes. If not, how can I implement the plus and operations between different classes? There is a way to avoid circular dependencies? Thank you for the help.
You can use operator overloading for this. Here is an example. You can find the list of operators here which you can overload according to your needs. This URL.
As Marin suggested, you need to use operator overloading. Here is a simple example that works for plus and equals operators. You need to overload _sub_ and _neg_ to get final result.
Channel. Isn't it